Hi, this is Langdon, Towne. Sennheiser products are respected in the entertainment industry and among audiophiles worldwide for their revolutionary design and precision engineering. For more than 3 decades, mankind has explored the mysteries of the universe from a vantage point in space. Moss Tube's percutaneous endoscopic gastrostomy kit combines this distinctive tube with 2 other unique patented items. After her father died in 1913, Theodate remained in Hillstead. Her mother summered in Farmington and wintered in California until her death in 1920. It was a surprise to her friend. Right. I gotta go. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Hi, John.
Hi, Liz. You want some coffee?
No, thanks. I'm fine.
So, introducing Winslow Envisions, brought to you by Winslow Press and powered by the Envisions method. I first laid eyes on Lake Superior and the big country around it more than a decade ago. I drowned myself in its pleasures. Whether the order is commonplace or exotic, Primary Steel's emphasis is on meeting its customers' needs.
Customers these days.
Installation, operation, and repair of the DNA thermal cycler. This training program will provide you with information. The Global Positioning System, GPS, is a constellation of 24 or more satellites in 6 orbit lanes 10,000 nautical miles above the Earth. Let's go diving in a place that features an unrivaled collection of historic World War II shipwrecks. You've heard how Batch Pipes MVS can reduce the time needed to run your batch processes and free up your IS resources for other important work. Just like a moment of your time.
John, what is this man doing in our apartment?
I'd like to tell you how MSP Bank... There's something about a Janelle Praytom woman. Now when you come into Dillon's, enter to win a Magnavox home theater system in the Kellogg Sounds Good sweepstakes. No one knows exactly when, but the first case of human thirst almost certainly occurred in the Mediterranean. Fitness in the 90s. Where can we find time for it in today's busy lifestyle? Fishkill All Sport. If you do business in Southern Connecticut, how do you stay on top of what's most important? Are you getting ahead of the game or just struggling to stay in it?
This is Clark calling. My thing is candlelight dinners and a nice bottle of wine.
Ooh.
These days, choosing the right insurance can get very complicated. Clear blue skies and countryside. It's a different world in a Peugeot 205 Cabriolet. Introducing Perform by Arnold Palmer. Possibly one of the most effective pain-relieving gels. One taste and you'll agree. Life's a little better with Lipton iced tea and food fare.